Hey, good morning. I'm Fraser.
And I'm Lachlan.
And this is Kerb Weights. So today we're at the track and yeah, hopefully going to put down some good times in the WRX. So come along for the ride. How'd you go, man?
That's so fun.
Yeah?
So much better. Car's hot.
Yeah?
Smell it.
Yeah.
But brakes are fine. Like the brakes literally, compared to last time, so much better. Yeah.
Awesome.
They're good.
So another successful day at the track. I've had a lot of fun driving the WRX again. How'd you feel it went, mate?
Yeah, it went really well. It was good fun. Yeah, we beat our lap time. By not much, but it was good.
Yeah, like hundredths of a second or something like that. But
not as much as what we were hoping for, but it was still good to do better. So yeah.
Yeah, next time we're here, we might be in a different car. We'll see. But yeah, that was a lot of fun, and thanks so much for watching.